G'day everyone, how are we all? I hope you're all doing good. And guess what I just bought? I bought my first ever GoPro camera. Bought it from Big W in Australia for 329 Australian dollars. First time I've ever used a GoPro. So this is it, GoPro Hero 10, 4K. It has 4K, 2.7K 60 video, 2x slow-mo, 12 megapixel photos, waterproof to 16 feet 5 meters, lightweight, only 86 grams. It's got built-in mounting fingers, embedded enduro battery technology, and a touchscreen. You can edit your footage with the quick mobile app or the desktop app. So I've installed that on my phone. This is the touchscreen. You can go scroll up or down, just touching. Preferences. Yeah, there's a lot to read in the instructions, so I better read that first. But up till now on my YouTube channel, I've been just using my Motorola Android camera, like this one. And I heard GoPro Hero has the best quality videos on YouTube, so that's why I've lashed out and bought this one for 329 Australian dollars, as I said. Apparently the quality is much better than the quality of videos you take from your Android phone cameras. I bought this about a month ago, and all you really get is this little camera, no accessories. So I had to buy all these accessories as well, which go with the camera. So that cost me another 50 Australian dollars to buy all these things like the tripods and all the tools you use for mounting the camera. And another thing you need to buy is an SD card to insert into the camera. You just open it like so. You just click here, that opens it up, and that's where you insert your SD card. And this is where you charge up the camera as well. So yeah, I've had a bit of a few problems in trying to install the correct SD card, because it's very pedantic as to which SD card you have to install in this camera. I just discovered that the GoPro Hero 10 requires a micro SD card with a speed rating class 10, and to record high quality 4K videos, your card must have a V30 video speed class or UHS 3 rating. So I bought this one from Big W, which is a V30 U3 rating. Cost me 25 Australian dollars. And I wasn't impressed because this card doesn't work in the camera. So I tried on eBay. I bought a couple of other cards, V30 cards. These were like $10 each on eBay. They all had the V30 video speed class and UH3 rating, like 1 terabyte. This one's 1 terabyte, and so is this one. And I found, it's switching itself off. Anyway, I found out that you have to avoid slow cards. Don't use the basic class 10 cards in your camera. And to ensure your camera runs smoothly and does not crash, you need to buy the name brand cards, such as the SanDisk Extreme or the Samsung Select, and so on. Don't use class 10 cards that lack VH30 or UH3 rating. They cause errors in that. It says cheap off-brand cards often fail in these GoPro action cameras. Only buy from official trusted retailers. So these 3 cards I bought did not work in my GoPro camera. So I went back to Big W and said, I can't get my camera to work for the past month. with all these SD cards. And they said maybe try a V2 or V3. So I bought this, another more expensive SD card. This one is about $86 from Big W. And guess what? This card finally worked. Finally got it to work. So now I can finally try out my new GoPro camera. Finally got a SD card that works in there. So let's give it a go and let's show you how the footage is in this new camera. Alrighty, I'm now using my new GoPro Hero camera and this is the footage. Tell me what you think. Is it clear? Is it high quality? Is it better than the Motorola camera I've been using? I hope so, because I've paid a fair bit of money for all this. I hope this is better. Try a selfie. What do you think? How is it? Let's have a bit of a look outside in my garden. Check out the flowers. My fish pond I've recently created with a bathtub. Can't see the fish because they seem to be hiding. Check out all these jade flowers, or the money tree growing along here along the hedge. Aren't they gorgeous? All flowering here in the middle of winter. Quality seems pretty good at the moment. At my orange trees here, almost ripe. 2 orange trees actually. Be able to eat them pretty soon. Been looking forward to that. Okay, that should do me for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope this quality is better than the quality of the videos I've had previously. So, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourselves and have a great day.